Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a May BOXYCHARM Base Box unboxing and review for you. So these are going to be all of the BOXYCHARM May spoilers for you guys in case you haven't gotten your box yet. So yeah, let's just get into it. So this is the May BOXYCHARM Base Box. If you guys are new to my channel, I just want to give you a quick rundown. So I show you each product, tell you a little bit about it, and then I use it, kind of giving you a demo of each product to determine whether each product individually is worth it, to, I guess, determine whether BOXYCHARM as a whole is worth it. I think I'm over-explaining this right now. I'm going to start out with the Dominique Cosmetics Blur and Moisture Serum Primer. Look at how long my nails are, by the way. I'm so proud. So this is a pump, which is great. This is a refreshing gel serum primer that instantly moisturizes. It does feel very moisturizing. And it doesn't feel greasy at all, which is always a plus. It says that this gives you a smooth, even makeup application, which is great because I'm going to be doing my makeup today. With the active ingredient of Salaphorin 8, you would notice your skin hydration level boost by 6,000% within 30 days. That's interesting. Packed with clean powerhouse ingredients like hyaluronic acid, trihalus-betamine, and a unique sugar complex that delivers a burst of hydration that helps your skin to maintain that moisture. Plus, it has a refreshing cooling effect that will wake up your skin. This is $28, which I really don't think is a bad price for this amount that you're getting here, especially since you really only need like a pea-size amount. I think this will last you at least like 2 to 3 months. Whoa, I don't know if you guys notice the difference at all, but I feel like my skin just looks like really toned. Is that just me, or that's really weird? Okay, I'm gonna be using this product every single day. Next up, we have the Eyelash Boost Serum by Dime. I'm not going to be using this one right now because it's meant to be used at night, but let me just read a little bit about it. Grow your own naturally full and beautifully long lashes with the help of this best-selling eyelash boost serum. It improves length, density, and strength of hair and overall follicle health with the blend of amino acids and peptides. So this is $44, which is a little pricey, but if you have really like small eyelashes, or if you're just looking for an eyelash boost, I don't know, I think $44 would be good, especially if you look at this. It looks like you're only gonna need probably about one swipe of this on each eye, so this looks like it'll last you. If you've used this in the past or any other growth serums, let me know if they work. I'm gonna do my base makeup off camera real quick, and then we'll come back to use this bronzer palette. This is the Baked Bronzer and Highlight Quad. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, let's try out this bronzer palette. So again, this is the Complex Culture In the Moment Baked Highlighter and Bronze Quad. This palette feels really substantial, and I really like the matte packaging. This just feels like really luxurious. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm gonna go in with the bronzer. So I already did like my contour and my blush. I need to bronze up my skin a little bit. I like that this bronzer looks really natural. In the palette, I wasn't sure whether these were gonna have like a bit of sparkle to it because they look not metallic-y, but you can see some sparkle in the pan, but you definitely can't see it on the face, which is nice. I already did my nose highlighter because I thought that this was just a bronze palette, but I will put some on my cheeks. I like how natural this looks, but you can also obviously make it really blinding because it has a lot of pigment to it. This is $42, which you can definitely tell. I mean, I told you this feels like a little bit more of a luxury product. This is perfect for summer, and if you're somebody who uses bronzer and highlighter, I think this is a really great product. I like that it just looks really natural. That highlighter, I'm not a huge like cheek highlighter person because I don't really like that super like highlighter look, but this just gives you like a nice glow. Enjoy the dewy effects of a liquid in a convenience of a powder for a healthy glow. It says healthy dose of glow, but I was like, glow. We're gonna go in with the Cab Cosmetics lip oils. I love this brand, by the way. These are the Cab Cosmetics Lemon and Lime Lip Duo Oil. Ooh, I love these colors. These are so fun. And I'm assuming these are just gonna be like a clear formula. It says, now with juicy lemon and lime scent in 2 new shades. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips that last all day. And this duo is $39, which I think it's a great price for 2 lip oils. This brand is amazing. There's like a pink version of this one that I use all the time. Ooh, it smells like Sprite. So yeah, obviously they just come out clear on your lips, but I love this scent. It's very refreshing. If you guys are new to my channel, I love putting on lip liner and then just smudging it with the lip gloss. Just gives it, I like to say it's a natural look, but I think you can obviously tell that I'm wearing lip liner, but I just love this look. And these lip oils are so good. They really keep your lips moisturized throughout the day. It's not that sticky feeling at all. Next up, we have a brush set. So this is the Half Baked Best Friends Forever In Bloom Plus Duo Fiber brush set. Okay, so we have a brush here, and I'm not sure what this is. Is this a blush? Okay, get some intense pigment with this matte finish that will take you from day to night. Apply to the apples of your cheeks, tops of your cheekbones with this 100% synthetic brush. Custom created to give an airbrush finish. Developed with sensitive skin in mind with a fragrance-free formula that gives you the perfect flush every time. So this is $21. I did not realize that there was gonna be a blush in here. I thought that this was a brush set. So I do have blush on, but this is actually so funny. It's a very similar color to what I'm wearing, because the one that I'm wearing is by ColourPop. That is like from the Hello Kitty collection, and then this is the one that I'm gonna be using. So that's good. Let's try out this duo fiber brush. Ooh, that's really pigmented. Let me just get some of this off of here. I think it's actually looking a little bit splotchy. Let me see if I can blend it out. I probably should have swirled it in my hand before applying it on, but I really like the color of the blush. I just don't know about this brush, but I think that that was just my fault initially, and now it's hard to come back from. So this one, I'm just swirling it in my hand beforehand. This is, holy shit, this is just a very pigmented blush. I'm gonna go in with the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Powder. This is in the shade 130, which is True Beige. I'm just gonna pop this on over top. Okay, that toned it down immediately. But a pigmented blush is necessary because that's the first thing that fades, so it looks nice. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the rest of my makeup done. I love the way that my makeup turned out with this base. That works so well. That was the Dominique Cosmetics, right? My skin just looks like really blurred. It looks really nice. Overall, I just feel like my makeup looks really airbrushed, so I would definitely say that this is worth it. I believe that this was $28, which is such a great price. I also really recommend the bronzer and highlighter. If you guys, just wanted to buy this on your own, I think this is such a great palette. I love how natural both the bronzer and the highlighter was. Like, you can still see a little bit of the highlight. It just looks so natural. I mean, it just really seeped in and just slightly makes your face look a little bit more raised. But obviously you can make more blinding if that's more your style. And last but not least, out of my favorites, I love the Cab Cosmetics lip oils. I already told you guys, I love the pink version of these, but both of these are just such great colors. I mean, they just come out clear. They're clear glosses pretty much, but the lip oils in there, like the moisturizing quality is just really there. And for the duo, this is $39, not bad at all. I'm sure probably on their own, they're probably maybe 15 to 20 for one of these, which I think is still a great price. Let me know what product was your favorite, and if you already got your May BOXYCHARM box, let me know what you got in the comments down below. Let me know if there are any other beauty box reviews that you want me to do. Yeah. I hope that you guys liked this one. If you did, make sure to give this video a like. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I'm gonna have my nose vlog out soon. So I just filmed my pre-op where I took you guys along with my appointment. I couldn't actually take you into the appointment because they have all these COVID restrictions, but I took the drive up there while I'm talking to you guys, and then I turned the camera on as I'm going back home and tell you a little bit about how the pre-op went and what the expectations were for pre-surgery. And then obviously on surgery day, I'll be talking to you guys on the camera before I go into surgery. And then probably while I'm there, I'll just take my phone out and do a couple clips talking to you guys, because I'm probably gonna be scared. Ruben's not allowed to come with me. He's going to be dropping me off, and he'll probably get lunch somewhere in the area and then obviously pick me up in time. But it's a little scary that I have to do that on my own. So yeah, I really want you guys there with me. But you will see the entire thing start to finish. But this is one of the last times you're gonna see this nose here. So say goodbye. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. I know I haven't posted a video in a little bit. I was just in Florida last week, so I skipped probably about a week and a half, maybe almost 2 weeks now of videos, but I'm coming back with this one, and then I'll have a ton of stuff about my nose, and then I'll have like Q&A videos after that. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.